Hey YouTube, it's Farmer Dave and wife with the Outdoor Angle. Our new Glock 26 is binding a little bit, so we're just trying to make it a little bit easier to take down because it hasn't been fired yet. So just going through some exercises, loosening it up. Do it like a man. What's there with that?
It just gets like really stuck right there.
Yeah, but the weird thing is that when I was doing it, it was like, it was totally smooth. It's probably because I was just manhandling it.
Yeah.
So,
I'm like scared to break it.
well, it's a gun, so it won't break, but it's how you're putting it on. That's what's doing it.
What do you think? It's hard. We need to practice this.
So it should all be one fluid motion, and you don't want it to bind anywhere. So when I did it, I lined these ones up right here first. So when you do that, you just kind of wiggle it back and forth. See? When you guide it in, watch it from having. When you take it down, it should.
I've been getting it down. It's better taking it down now.
See? Just like that. And then when you take it down, it should be smooth. Good. Yeah, the other thing is if it binds like that, just kind of move it back and forth right to left. And that's what I've been doing, which is align that. Just gotta shoot it a few times and then it'll be smooth out.
Maybe I should get it lime green.
You should get it where it looks like that Milwaukee one.
How pretty would
Or
it
the
be?
Nintendo one.
How pretty would it be to be hot pink?
I mean, it's a gun, so.
Yeah, but it could be cute.
Alright, YouTube. Remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.